One of your favorite diesels, the 7.3, it's a 2000 F350. Let me show you what we got. This thing was leaking from everywhere, exhaust, the up pipes, the exhaust manifolds. So we pulled the exhaust manifold off. We had a few bolts that were broken off, studs. A lot of rust and pitting on the head, but I think we'll be okay. And he didn't want to pull the heads off and have them resurfaced. But let me show you what we got here. This is what 20 years of salt and corrosion will do to bolts. Now this one here that broke off, you can see what we did is we welded a nut on there. And that bolt wouldn't come out. We had to take a die grinder behind there and cut that off. But boy, the corrosion. I don't know, you guys see a lot of this? We do see this in Utah. I'll bet you see a ton of it back east where they slurry the roads. We took the turbo out to do the up pipes because they were leaking. We had to actually cut them off because the bolt wouldn't come off. But then we found this.